Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't
Hi team, welcome back to Mars Cloud. So today our topic is how to cancel the PO from PR, purchase requisitions. See, there are a lot of business scenarios which will be widely used by the business team, but most of the time, widely used scenarios are two things. The PO can be cancelled by the buyer, or the PO. So the first multiple ways, these are the multiple ways. First way, what I'm trying to say is PO can be cancelled by the buyer, so that there, while cancelling the PO, we are going to get that some pop-up message there. Do you want to cancel the fulfillment? It means that fulfillment is nothing but the PR. Whatever PR which you have attached to the PO, when you click on no, we have options no and yes button. If you click on no, it won't cancel. If you click on yes, even if it is cancel the PR. Now I'm talking about the cancelling of the PO from the PR screen. Means I created a PR, I processed the PR, I prepared the PO document. So after a couple of days, due to some reason, the requester do not want to procure this material. So requester have a right to cancel the PR, so that automatically system will create a one notification or a PO notification, so that PO in the PO document system will generate one change order. Once the change order approval has been done, automatically PO also will cancel. Now we are talking about that one. How to cancel the PO from the PR screen. So the PR who will cancel, either requester or preparer. Okay, so that particular process we'll see how are we going to do the cancellation of the documents in the procurement module. Okay, so for that, so as we know, all the related prerequisites has to be fulfilled. So I'm not going to touch these things because everybody knows what and all configurations which are mandatory for procurement module. Now I'm directly going to the system, I'm creating the PR, and I'm showing the steps. What steps we have to follow to create the PO, what steps we have to follow to cancel the PO document. Okay, so with this introduction, we'll connect to the application and we'll see how are we going to do that. Now connect into application, click on home page. Now procurement, I'm in the procurement area. So purchase requisitions. So what I'm doing here, I'm creating the PR now. It is very widely used scenario, and then most of the time the requesters can cancel the PO document. PO means purchase order document. Okay. Now I'm creating one in any kind of what you call PR, either non-catalog or through the item. The procedure is same, the functionality is same, the business scenario will be same. So I'm taking request non-catalog item, or there are multiple ways. So I want to take a existing one, then I can edit as well. It's not a problem. I'm going to create one non-catalog item. So goods billed by quantity. So this is a test item. So category is 034. So I'm taking as 10 quantity. UIM is each 100 USD. So for PR, we don't require any supply information. Just add to cart. So this is the additional fields they have did. I mean DFF. It is not required every time, but in my instance, somebody has added those additional information. Okay, so now go here, click on review. So I'm taking one single item. So if you want, we'll add multiple items as well. So I'll make a duplicate. I'll make a duplicate and change the category. So go to, no, this is additional information. So I want to go for edit. So let me take accessories, office. Okay, office supplies. Click on OK. Now I have 2 items. Okay, just save the form. Okay, so I wanted to, I got some charge account problem. So let me create one more time. This is 0T4. So quantity is some 10 each. Okay, so this is 340. Add to cart. And here DDD. Similarly, I want to make a duplicate. Here also you can add it. Let me add one more time. Test office supplies. So 40 each, 450. Okay. Now I added 2 items. I mean 2 lines. It's not item, 2 lines. So one is food category and office supplies. So the charge account test came. So these, see, charge account and all we'll see like in special classes. But currently I added the charge account in the preference area. Through that I'm pulling that particular charge account. Now I save the form, and if you click on manage approval, system will show the approval hierarchy based on your approval setup, requisition approval setup. So with that, system will show that approval. Now I just given one single approver. Click on submit. Now this is the my requisition, right? So let me put it down. Now I need to log in with that. So let me approve that one. Let me log in into the approver. So go to notifications. So we have it too. So I'll approve both. Approve this and approve this. Okay. Now go back to your main screen. And if we go to manage requisitions, once you click on search back, so your 2 things are approved. Search back. What is that number? Number is 28. Okay. 26. Otherwise, you can see here 28, 27. Yeah. See here also it will show, not a problem, but here we can see that this 28 and 27 has been approved. Now what I'm doing, next step is I need to process these things to create your purchase order. So go to purchase orders. So we are doing the manually creating the PO. If you want to create the manual PO for your purchase equations, after approval of your PO, sorry, PR, we need to process this PRs through your process equations. This is the area from which you can create your POs. Remove the buyer, select your equation BU, click on search. See, now system will show your waiting equations lines for PO. Okay. Now I'm selecting 1 and 2. So there is one more scenario. One PO can contain multiple PRs. One PO can contain multiple PRs as well. Now I'm selecting here 28, 1 and 2, add to document builder. Supplier is ABC. So I'm creating the new order, existing, new negotiation. There are a lot of options, my dear. There are a lot of options. So we are creating the new PO. Click on create. So system automatically create the PO. So this is the normal process. So creation of PR, approval of PR, and then process the PR and creating the PO. So these steps are normal. Now click on manage approvals. Let us see what is the approval. So approval is one of the guy. Click on submit. So system will send this PO for approval. To provide a value for the receipt routing attribute. Okay. So cancel. There is some problem. Schedule. View column show all. Receipt routing, is it? Direct delivery. So these also will do the setup, but I've not done those things. Yeah, these are not required because these are the expense items. Go here. Where is that button? Where is that button name? Both are expense. Go slowly. Allow substitute list. Accurate receipt. Okay, so the form manage approvals. Click on submit. So system will submit this one for approval. Okay. Now what you have to do? We have to log in with the approval. Okay. Sign out. Confirm. Where is that? Yes, this is the approver. So go for notifications, waiting for approval. So it is approved. Approved now. Now if you go back and verify your system in the PO, you can find your PO has been approved. Click on search. So this is the one, correct? All right. Yes. Now it is open, and you can cross verify what are the line status and header status. Header status will be open and line status also open. Now I want to cancel this PO by the requester, not from the buyer. So I'll show the both the things. So first we'll see the PR requester, then how to cancel the PO, and also we'll see the PO, how to cancel this PO through buyer. Now go back to my requisition. So I'm the requester. I have a right to cancel it. So I think not this one. $28, correct? Okay, so this is approved. Click on requisition. What will happen when you see? So here there are two options, friends. Through header, we can cancel. Means suppose only one particular line if you want to cancel, then no need to go for header. Go to line level. So I want to cancel only line, specific line. Go to actions, go to cancel. So not required to procure. So click on OK. So moment once you cancel this, system automatically create a change order. Change order in the PO document. That change order will route to the approver. Click on OK. Click on done. And go back here. Just do the refresh. See here, if you see that information is showing change order is pending. What is the change order? If you go to here, click on open, description showing that not required to procure. Okay, so it is waiting for approval. So if we click on pending approval, system will show with whom this document has been waiting for approval. So now Peter, go back here. See, automatically came. Is it this one, right? No, sorry. So click on the do it again. Yeah, this is the one 46. Now approve it. What will happen? Only the PO one line has been cancelled. Remaining line will be open and PO header also will be in the open state. Go and verify. Click on done. Click on done. Just do the refresh. See, status is open. And if you go here, one line is cancelled. So this is the approach to cancel the PO document lines from the requester. Okay, this is the widely used business scenario, guys. So if you ask me, in my current project, most of the time buyers cannot cancel, the requester can cancel the document. Okay, now same procedure, how if you do the cancellation through header, what will happen? Entire PO will be cancelled. That's all. That is the only difference. Now I told how to cancel the PO from the buyer account. Let me create quickly one PR. So even if you see here, okay, let me show that equations also. Okay, go here, and if you see the view life cycle, see order number it will show. If you go to view life cycle, order number has been created So once you open that, system will show how many lines. See, first line is cancelled, second line is open. So that way, even requester can cross check whether my line has been cancelled or not. Got it? Now I'll take same one, go to actions, duplicate, create one new PR, or I'll take a 27, that is also there, right? Okay, better I'll take that one. So now if I go here, so where I have to go? I have to go to process requisitions. So click on search. 27 is waiting for PO, correct? Select this, add to document builder. So ABC, click on OK, create. Now I'm showing how the buyer can cancel the PO. Document created. Let me submit, manage approval. Before checking, before click on submit, just verify whether the approvals has been triggered and showing the hierarchy of the approval. Oh, this is the one. Provide receipt routing. Cancel. Just add that. Go to schedules. Receipt routing. This is expense items. Receipt routing. Add delivery. And that is also will trigger. Let it cancel this. And here also I wanted to cancel. See here, very easy method is go to edit. Just do that accurate receipt. Okay. Click on OK. Save. Manage approvals. Submit. What is this number? 204 PO. So okay, just do the refresh. Three seconds ago. Approve that. Now if you go back and verify what is the status of your PO. Manage orders. Search back because I'm a buyer. So mine is open. This is the one, right? Yes. Now, what I said, how the buyer can cancel this document. Once it is cancelled, what is the impact of this PO on the PR? Is it mine? I think this is mine, right? Oh, it is multiple here. Okay. Just 1 second, guys. It is 27, right? Mine is. I think I opened different. What is that requisition number? Requisition number 27, correct? Just copy it. Go here. Put your requisition. Switch back. I think I have opened right one, I guess. Requirement is multiple. $27, $21. Okay, no problem. Now what I'm doing, I wanted to cancel this. Click on edit or not required to edit. Okay, click on no. So I wanted to cancel. I told no, there are multiple ways. So here also cancel and header also cancel. Let me cancel header. Go to actions, go to cancel. See, cancel unfulfilled demand. If we click on yes, automatically system will cancel the PR. Whatever PRs which are associated with PO, automatically everything will be cancelled. Okay, if it is no, it won't cancel that. That is the significance of cancel unfulfilled demand. Okay. Now require acknowledgement. If you want any require acknowledgement from supplier, you can select that, or else not required. So it is email just for significance. Now I wanted to select as a yes. And okay. So system will cancel the PO and also system will cancel the PR. Now system send for approval. So same person 17 seconds ago. Approve it. Go back, click on done. Click on done again. Just do the refresh. Cancel. Okay. So if you see here, both are cancelled. Now, if you go and verify the PR, whether the PRs will allow to reprocess or what could be the what is the situation of those PRs. So in order to check that, go to PR directly, open this. $27, am I right? So if you see here, this is cancelled. So once it's cancelled, order life cycle will show blank. And the second item is not the one which we have taken that item from 27. Now if you go to process requisitions, purchase orders, process requisitions, requisition BU, click on search. Yeah, it's not my buyer. Search back. See, 27.2 is there, 2 is there, but 27.1 is not there. So 27.1 is cancelled. Those particular thing, those particular line has been cancelled. Fulfillment equal to yes means even that PR, that line also, it will be cancelled. That is the cancel fulfillment option is as yes. If it is no, then those lines of the PR will be available again for reprocessing. That is the significance of that particular field in the pop-up. Okay, so with this we can conclude the session. So here just I'm recapping the things. So what are the ways we can cancel the document? One is either through PO or through PR. Through PO, buyer can cancel the document. Through PR, either requester or preparer can cancel the document. Whenever through PR, if the requester click on cancel, system automatically create a change request, change order in the PO document. Once the change order will be approved by the approver, then only system will cancel the line. Similarly for buyer also. Whatever, whichever, if you do the cancellation, automatically system will create a change order and system will push the change order for approval. Okay. So with this, we'll wind up the session. We'll catch you later. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel to get more uniqueness of these scenarios and what are the scenarios which are frequently used by the business. And this will be very helpful for juniors as well as who is doing the job in the procurement. So next session will come up with I'm planning to bring some mock interview questions on the procurement. So that is a version 1, version 0 already I published in my channel. I'm going to bring up version 1. What are the various business questionnaires the interview person will ask during the interviews? So I'm come up with those, and with that we'll stop the discussion and have a nice, wonderful